In today's video, we are going to cover how to set user roles and permissions in Zoho Books. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are inside the account, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon shown as a gear. This opens the area where account configuration options are managed. In Settings, find Users and Roles, then click Roles. You will see the list of existing roles in the organization. To create a new one, click New Role. This opens the role setup page where you can define what this role will be allowed to access. Enter a role name that clearly identifies the purpose of the role. You can also add a description if you want to note what kind of access this role is meant to include. The description is optional, but it can be useful when multiple people manage users later. If this role is intended for accountant access, check the option labeled "This role is for accountant users." If the role is not meant for that type of access, leave that option unchecked and continue to the permission settings below. Next, configure permissions for each module. For every module shown, choose the access level that matches the responsibilities for that role. Depending on the module, you may see options such as Full, View, Create, Edit, Delete, Approve, Assign Owner, or other available permissions. Move through each section carefully and select only the permissions that are appropriate. This is the part that controls what users with this role can see and do across Zoho Books. Some modules also include a More Permissions option. If you need additional control for a specific module, click More Permissions and review the extra access settings available there. Apply those options only where needed. Then return to the Main Permissions view and continue checking the rest of the modules. Before saving, review the full permission setup. Make sure the access levels match the user responsibilities you are planning for. This review helps avoid assigning more access than necessary or leaving out permissions a user will need to do their work. When everything looks correct, click Save to create the role. Zoho Books will add it to your list of available roles. After the role has been created, go back to Settings, then Users and Roles, and open Users. From there, open an existing user if you want to update their access, or invite a new user if you are adding someone new. In the user settings, assign the role you just created, then save the user details so the role is applied. Your new user role is now created in Zoho Books and assigned with the permissions you selected.